So I bought this beautiful piece of tile to use as a backsplash, but one problem: no hole for the light switch. So my first attempt at tile cutting means turning off the power, so I could mark the tile where the cut needs to be. I needed an electrical tester, a pin, a screwdriver, and a square. I slid the tile directly to the left of the light switch so I could mark it. Tested the light switch to make sure it didn't work, removed the cover, tested to make sure there was no electricity to the light switch, and then I marked the tile on the edge of the tile just underneath the metal bracket for the light switch at the top, and then just above the metal bracket for the light switch at the bottom. And the reason to do that is so that the metal flange has something to catch on the other side of the tile after you cut the hole. Then I repositioned the tile and marked the bottom in the same way, aligning the marks with the edge of the hole. Then I used a square to draw a straight line to the light switch spot where the lines going in the opposite direction will intersect. Where everything overlaps is where the outlet hole should be. At first, I stressed about which blade to use on a porcelain tile because there's some conflicting information out there, but I decided to just go for it because the chips aren't going to show behind my outlet cover. I bought this 3-inch cutoff tool because the blade is small enough to make the smaller cuts on the top and the bottom, and also because it's small enough for me to handle easily. As a bonus, it came with 3 blades, including a diamond blade. I had already purchased this other diamond blade that I hear is good, but I decided to go with the one that came with the kit. I would have loved to have tried them both out, but because of the size of the tile, I didn't have scrap material to practice with. Make sure with a diamond blade that you have the wheel moving in the right direction, and also remember your PPE. I started cutting on the back, but I wasn't able to capture that on video, but I wanted you to see just how far past the edge I went with the saw because the blade is circular and it won't show through on the front. As you can see, it did chip quite a bit, so if you wanted to do some clean work, you'd have to get a different blade. And practice. My mom visited just in time to finish my camera work for me. You'll see she's not the best cameraman in the world, but she is my best cheerleader, and her excitement captured when I knocked out the piece was priceless.
Woo! I hope I got that. I'm sorry, I was so excited.
Okay, this is how it looks close up, and I wanted to show you how the metal is tucked behind there right now, but if you loosen those screws and pull that to the front, again, make sure the power is off, then you see why you needed to cut it a little short. Vertically, that is. And with the cover on, you can hardly tell a rookie did it. If you're trying this for the first time, I hope something in here was useful for you. Good luck. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.